Hello everyone, it's Arul Kumar. Let we discuss the topic determination of rigidity modulus and tensional pendulum by calculate by coding. First let me discuss the theory of topic and calculation. Next we can go to the code to calculate. In this experiment we need to find the momentum of inertia and the rigidity modulus of given wire. The formula for inertia I equal to mr square by 2 kilogram meter square. The formula for rigidity modulus of the wire is n equal to 8 by L divided by r power 4 into L by T square Newton meter square, where the m is the mass of an circular disc and T is the time period for oscillation, L is the length of a suspended wire, R is a radius of the suspended wire, and capital R is in radius of the cylindrical disc where used in our where they are used in our experiment. First we need to find the L by T square. That why we finding the time period of oscillation for different length of the wire. For example, let we measure the length of the wire and calculate the time period for 5 oscillation. Repeat the same for twice and take the mean of the time period, and we can able to calculate T square. By T square we can able to calculate L by T square. Continue the same methodology 3 to 5 times and take mean of L by T square. Then we need to find the radius of the given wire. That's why we are using screw gauge. Let me see the example. By using screw gauge, the bit scale reading of the wire is 1 and head scale reading 81, and OR observed reading equal to pitch scale plus head scale into least count. The least count of the screw gauge is 0.01. OR equal to 1.81. It's error free instrument, so ZC equal to 0. That CR is same as OR. Continue the same methodology 3 times and calculate the mu. The value is the diameter of the wire. By using this we can able to calculate the radius of the wire. Then we go to calculation by manual. For formula for inertia I equal to mr square by 2. M is the mass of an cylindrical disc and R is the radius of the cylindrical disc. Mass of a cylindrical disc is taken as 1.1 kilogram and radius of the cylindrical disc is 0.06 divided by 2. Then inertia equal to 1.9926 into 10 power minus 3 kilogram meter square. Next, rigidity modulus n equal to 8 by L divided by r power 4 into L by T square in Newton per meter square. Where y equal to 3.14 and I is given and radius of the wire is calculated and L by T square we has calculated. By this given measurement we can able to calculate M. And M is 2.9108 into 10 power minus 9. Let me discuss the same methodology in coding. First of all, we need to get the mass of a cylindrical disc, then we need to get the radius of a cylindrical disc, then we need to get the length of the wire and time taken for 5 acceleration for twice. That's why we are using for loop for repeating the procedure thrice to 3 to 5 times. Here we calculating 3 times and taking the mean to L by T square and calculating it by by calculation. Then we need to find when we need to find the diameter of the wire by using screw gauge. That's we also needed three measurements. So we used for loop for getting three procedure. We enter the PSR and enter the HSE. And it's automatically calculated the mean value of radius of the wire. Then calculators are substituted into formula. It's print the momentum of inertia and rigidity modulus of the wire. Let's try to run the code. Let me given the value as seen before in the manual calculation. Enter the mass of a circular disc. Let me give an 1.107 kilogram and enter the enter the radius of a cylindrical disc. It's 0.06 meter. And for first reading, enter the length of a suspended wire. Let's see in manual calculation. It's 30 and 14, 14, 25, 12, 13 and 3.4, 14, 14. Let me proceed in coding. Uh, 30, then time taken for 5 oscillation 14 seconds in first trial. Second trial also 14 seconds. Then enter the suspended wire. It's 25 and time taken to the first trial is 12, second trial is 13. Then adjust the length of the wire to 34.5. It's time taken for 5 actions, 14 seconds first trial and 14 seconds for second trial. And the mean value of L by T square is same as we calculated in manual calculation. Yeah, it's 0.07 into 10 power minus 2 meter second inverse. Yeah, it's same as. Next, we need to determine the diameter of an wire by using screw gauge. First, enter the PSR value. Let's see our manual calculation. PSR 1, 8.1, 8.3, 8.5. PSR equal to 1 and HSE 81. Next 183. Next 1 and HSE is 85. Yes, it will be calculated. Mean of the radius as we solved 0.915 into 10 power minus 3 meter. Same as. Then moment of inertia 1.926 into 10 power minus 3. Then rigidity modulus of the wire 2.910 into 10 power minus 1 as we seen in our manual calculation. It's same as. Thank you for watching this video. I put the link of the code in description. Thank you.